Welcome to the Carriage Commercial Systems video tutorials for Vast Online. This video will review the new Vast Commerce catalog integrated in Vast Online. Vast Commerce integrated with Autocat will replace the current catalog in the newest version of Vast Online. This integration provides you the ability to easily identify parts, accurately estimate job times, perform online transactions, provide lower transaction cost, and enhance customer relations. From the work order, click on the Products button from the lower right corner of the grid. Click on the Catalog button from the Products prompt. Depending on your Vast Online configuration, a prompt window might or not pop up. You can choose from the following: the Item Broker to open the local inventory and vendors product searching tool, Autocat to open the Catalog tab from the Vast Commerce, or Labor to look up for labor services. Whichever option you'll take, it will take you to the Vast Commerce Catalog window but in a different tab. If your software configuration does not pop up this prompt, it will take you directly to the Vast Commerce Catalog tab. You will have two options to search for a part. You can enter the part type criteria on the field, then click on the magnifying glass button. Or you can select an option from the part category column. The parts group column will display on the right. Take on one or multiple groups as desired. Then choose from the following. If labor is selected, the prompt will take you to the labor tab, allowing you to select and post any desired labor to the work order. If you select part types, a prompt will display showing specific options for the previously selected part groups. Take on one or more part types option, then click on the Select button. Cancel to exit without saving any changes. Or Parts to search between the parts included in the group. By default, the screen will show the results from your local inventory. If a blank screen is displayed, it will mean that the product is not on the inventory and you have to select a vendor from the Item Broker list. Based on the parts or services requested, the qualifiers pop-up will appear asking you for relevant information about the search. Select an option from the drop-down, then click on the Apply button. The results will show only the on-hand lines that either your local inventory or the vendor's inventory has. Untick the Show OH Lines Only checkbox to include products the vendor does not currently has on its inventory but can be ordered. The search results will automatically be grouped by vendor. You can choose groups by part type to sort the results by part type, and additional information will show on the grid. You can click on Show Cost to display the actual cost of the shop for the part. By default, the shop cost is hidden in case you need to show the screen to a customer. You have the option to click on the eye icon to display the image of the product. Unlike different versions of Vast Online, you can select multiple parts by ticking on the checkbox next to the results. The part will be added to the shopping basket at the top right corner. Also, you can search for additional parts by selecting different categories or product groups. Once again, the items you select will be added to the basket. You can also jump between the different vendors to add parts into the basket, but you have to keep in mind to select the products of each vendor when creating the purchase orders. It is highly recommended to omit this step and follow the process for each vendor every time until you get used to the system. Once you finish adding the desired parts, click on the Labor tab from the top of the screen. Select a category and a parts group from the columns. You can select a parts subgroup if desired to filter the results. Select the services by ticking on the checkbox on the left side. You can find additional labor services on the optional tab attached to it. Click on the plus icon to show the optional results. Once you finish adding products and services, click on the shopping basket icon. The window will show the items added to the basket. By default, the products and services are selected to only be posted to the work order. This will not create a purchase order for the part. If a product needs to be ordered, tick on the Order checkbox next to the item. Click on the Post Basket to POS button to finish, and the products and services will be posted to the work order. If a product was ordered, the order results window will appear showing the purchase order number. Click Close to exit. It is important to know that you will not be able to finish the work order without receiving the parts first. If you have questions about the receiving process, please refer to the outside purchase order video guide. If you require further assistance, contact the VAST Online support team. Thank you for watching.